Video is extremely important in real estate, and by the end of this video, you're gonna understand why video is one of the most powerful tools that you can use to make more money when selling your house. What's going on, friends? My name is AJ Butler. I'm a real estate agent here in Fort Lauderdale, and this video is gonna be a fun one because video just happens to be what I love to do. First and foremost, video allows us to showcase the property in a more realistic way. Pictures are great, and they obviously have their place, but they can only capture so much. With video, we can take potential buyers on a virtual tour, giving them a real sense of what it's like to walk through those beautiful rooms, step out into the backyard, and just really envision themselves living there. When we use video to tell a story, we're not just selling a house. We're selling the lifestyle that comes with that house. It helps us create that emotional connection that a buyer needs to have with a house before buying the house. And let's be honest, emotions play a huge role in someone's decision to buy. Another massive benefit about video is reaching a wider audience. In today's digital age, more and more people are spending time online. Whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, video content is king. By utilizing multiple marketing channels like these, we can get our listings in front of countless potential buyers. The next thing I want to discuss is that trust and transparency are key in real estate. Video allows us to showcase the property exactly the way it is without any hidden surprises. Plus, when you see me on camera, you know that I'm a real person and not just some faceless agent. At the end of the day, hiring an agent that utilizes the power of video is a huge incentive because not all of us do it. Hopefully you got some value out of this and now understand a bit better why video can be such a powerful tool if utilized the right way by the right person. If you know of anyone that's considering selling, do me a favor and shoot them over this video. That way they know what they're missing out on if their agent isn't using video. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.